Hi guys, welcome back to my channel today. Today I'm going to share with you the definition of Zcash and what is the difference between Zcash and Bitcoin. Let's get started. What is Zcash? Zcash emerged in 2016 when a group of scientists decided they wanted to create a cryptocurrency similar to Bitcoin. But with some additional features, they developed a fork of the Bitcoin blockchain with enhanced user security and anonymity. The scientists first invented Zero Coin, which became Zero Cash not too long after its initial release. Eventually, the cryptocurrency was renamed as Zcash. What are the key takeaways of Zcash? Zcoin is a Bitcoin. Zcash is a Bitcoin fork with a different hashing algorithm and security protocols. Zcash started as Zerocash. It was later improved upon by the Electric Coin Company and rebranded Zcash. Zcash verifies ownerships of coin and transactions more anonymously than Bitcoin, thus proving more security for users. Zcoin can be mined on devices and computers, but the currency is best mined on dedicated systems called application specific integrated citrus. Understanding Zcash. Zcash is forked from the original Bitcoin codebase. In 2014, Lee Benson and Elsero Chisa, Christina Zerman, Matthew Green, Ellen Maris, Irene Thomas, and Madras Virza believed that there were security flaws in the way transactions were tracked through Bitcoin blockchains. In their white paper outlining their ideas, they call their cryptocurrency Zcash. The scientists created Zerocoin, electronic coin company in 2015. In 2016, their name changed to Zcash by the Electric Coin Company. Zcash uses the ZK-SNARK security protocol to ensure the parties involved in a transactions are verified without revealing any information to each other or the network. ZK-SNARK allows for fully scheduled transactions in which the sender, receptionist, and the amount are encrypted. This feature is a large deviation from other cryptocurrencies where transactions transparency is an underlying concept aside from securing user informations. How is Zcash different from Bitcoin? The Bitcoin community prides itself on transparent transactions while maintaining anonymity. However, anyone interested or who has a stake in the transactions could trace the parties within it. Zcash doesn't eliminate transactions information. Instead, it encrypts it so that it cannot be tracked. The Zcash blockchain is still encrypted, but the security protocol Zcash SNAC adds additional user security and anonymity. Bitcoin uses the hashing Bitcoin using the hashing algorithm. Zcash uses encrypt, which is incompatible with hardware and software designed for Bitcoin mining. It also has larger block and increased hashing times, which increases the network's hash rate. A cryptocurrency's hash rate is the processing power of the network of miners. It's a measure of how fast the transactions can be verified and validated to open a new block. What are the tips? Joining a mining pool is one of the best ways to benefit from Zcash mining. Efficiency and opportunities to earn are increased when resources are pulled together. Hashing is the process used to convert data into a string of alphanumeric characters. The string of new numbers is unique because it is created from the data in the block. Once hashed, it cannot be replicated. The hashing algorithm is the mathematical method used to create the alphanumeric string, are also called the hash. Goals of Zcash. Zcash was defined to be efficient, safe, and anonymous. The developers behind Zcash also promote complying with regularity requirements. Additionally, you can choose full transparency when you use Zcash, in which case is transparency is similar to that of Bitcoin when transfers are conducted. How to mine Zcash? New coins are produced by mining. You can use an application specific integrated circuit ASIC miner, or your computer if it has a graphics card capable of mining. Operating systems supported by Zcash are Docker, Debian, Mac, and other Linux flavors. However, Zcash recommends using an ASIC miner and mining pool because the network difficulty has gotten high enough that PC mining is not worth the time and cost. Zcash uses a proof of work mining algorithm which requires miners to compete against each other to produce a new block by racing to solve the hash. The first miner to find the solution opens a new block and receives the block reward. How many Zcash are left? Zcash has a maximum supply of 21 million coins with 14.6 million in circulations. Once there are 21 million Zcash in circulations, no more can be mined, and you will only be able to acquire them by purchasing them on an exchange or from an individual. Is Zcash safe? Zcash is safe in the sense that it hides and protects your information. What does Zcash use proof of work? Yes, it uses equally a proof of work mining algorithm based on generalized birthday problem concept. Everything you know need to know about cryptocurrency. Whatever you are learning style, that's there's a course that can help you become a crypto expert. With Udemy, you will be able to take courses that span over 65 languages and covered just about by anything you would want to know about cryptocurrency. You will also be able to set up a crypto wallet to hold your digital coins and choose an exchange that fits your trading needs. This is all about what you know. Now you will understand how do we use Zcash proof of work. Investing in cryptocurrencies and other initial coin offerings is highly risky and speculative, and this article is not a recommendations by Investopedia or the writer to invest in cryptocurrencies or other ICOs, since each individual situation is unique and a qualified professional should always be consulted before making any financial decision. It makes no representations or warranties as the accuracy or timelines of the informations contained. This is all we covered over here. Is what is Zcash, what is the proof of work of Zcash, how to mine Zcash, and what are the goals of Zcash, and how is Zcash, the main thing is how is Zcash different from Bitcoin. That's all guys, that's all for my today's video. Stay tuned for my next video. We'll see you soon. Catch, bye bye.